In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Calendly. This will be a quick, straightforward walkthrough, but I'll go slowly enough so you can follow along, even if you're new to Calendly or not very familiar with web apps in general. First, make sure you're already signed into your Calendly account in a web browser. You can do this in Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any modern browser. Once you're on your main Calendly dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the page. That's where Calendly places your profile controls. You should see a small profile area in the upper right. Depending on your account, this might appear as your initials inside a circle, your profile picture if you've added one, or an icon that represents a user. This is the profile icon you'll need to click in order to access the logout option. Go ahead and move your mouse to that top right corner and click on your profile icon. When you click it, a small drop-down menu will appear. This menu usually includes options related to your account, such as viewing your profile, going to your account settings, or managing your organization if you're part of a team. Within this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Logout or Logout. The exact capitalization may vary, but it will clearly say Logout. This option is normally found near the bottom of the list, so if you see several menu items, just glance down toward the end. Once you've found the logout option, click it once. After you click, Calendly will sign you out of your account and redirect you, usually to the main Calendly landing page or a sign-in page. You'll know you've successfully logged out if you no longer see your dashboard and instead see options to log in or sign up. If you share your computer with others, or you're using a public or work device, it's a good habit to always log out when you're done. You can also close the browser tab after logging out for an extra layer of privacy. And if your browser offers to save your password on a shared device, consider declining that to keep your account secure. That's all there is to it. Click your profile icon at the top right, choose Logout